How to log in Amazon Prime with another account. Whether you're sharing with family, managing multiple accounts, or just need to switch up your login, I'll show you how to log in to Amazon Prime with another account quickly and easily. Let's get started. Start by opening the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you're currently using. To log in with another account, you'll need to sign out of the current one first. On the app, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings or Account and Settings, depending on your device, then choose Sign Out. Once you've logged out, you'll be redirected to the login screen. Enter the email address or mobile number and password associated with the new Amazon Prime account you want to use. Click Sign In, and you're good to go. If you use multiple accounts often, consider saving the login information in your browser or app for quicker access. Be mindful of security and only save details on personal devices. And that's how you log in to Amazon Prime with another account. It's a quick process that makes managing multiple subscriptions or sharing with family easy. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.